Understanding the word and words suffixes in English. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our series on advanced English vocabulary. Today, we're diving into a really interesting topic: the suffixes word and words. These two suffixes form adverbs and have similar meanings but are often misunderstood. Stick around to understand the subtle differences and learn how to use them correctly. Before we delve into the differences, let's quickly understand what word and words suffixes are. These suffixes are added to the end of words to denote direction or movement. Words ending with word or words often indicate a specific direction or tendency. For example, skyward or skywards, forward or forwards, backward or backwards. The key point here is that both forms, word and words, are usually interchangeable and used to refer to a direction. Now, let's get to the core of our topic: the difference between word and words. The basic rule is that both of these suffixes mean the same thing. However, the usage may slightly vary depending on the regional preferences and the specific context. In British English tends to favor the words ending. If you're speaking or writing in British English, you might hear or use words like forwards, backwards, skywards more often. In American English, on the other hand, American English tends to prefer the word ending. So, you're more likely to see forward, backward, skyward in American English contexts. Note, while these are general tendencies, both forms are understood and widely used in both varieties of English. While the general rule of thumb is that word and words can be used interchangeably, there are a few exceptions and additional points to remember. Certain expressions have a fixed form. For example, we say toward in American English and towards in British English. You're less likely to hear toward in British English or towards in American English. Sometimes, the word form is used as an adjective while words is used as an adverb. For example, the forward pass was excellent, adjective form, versus he looked forwards to the match, adverb form. There are a few words that only use word, like homeward and northward. You wouldn't typically see homewards or northwards. Remember, these are small nuances and exceptions, but overall, the word and words suffixes can generally be used interchangeably without affecting the meaning of your sentence. Well, that wraps up our discussion on the difference between word and words. We hope this video clarifies any confusion and helps you use these suffixes more confidently in your conversations and writings. As always, don't forget that practice is the key to mastering any new topic. So, try using some word and words in your next English conversation. Thank you for joining us in this learning journey. Stay tuned for more exciting topics in English language learning. Happy learning!